45 out of chapter 4. This is for test 3, number 45. We're going to be looking at the equation 3x plus 2 cosine x plus 5, and we're going to be proving that there's one real root of the equation. The first thing that I would do, and that you should do here, is plug in x for 0 for x. So you're going to have 3 times 0 plus 2 cosine of 0 plus 5. 3 times 0 is 0, plus cosine of 0 is 1 times 2 is 2, and that will be plus 5, and that is 7. 7 is greater than 0. And the next thing you're going to want to do here is find a number that you want to work with. In this case, we're going to choose negative pi. So 3 times negative pi plus 2 cosine of negative pi plus 5. We're going to be left with negative 3 pi plus 3, which is the same thing as negative 3 times pi minus 1, and that is going to be less than 0. And since f is continuous on all real numbers, hence, like in this case, we got the interval of negative pi to 0, we know that this assures us there's at least one 0 on this interval. So next thing we're going to want to do is the derivative of this equation, and that's going to be 3 plus 2 sine x, or sorry, 3 minus 2 sine x, because the derivative of cosine is negative sine. Once we have that, we know that's greater than 0, and that implies that f is increasing on all real numbers, which in turn means that there's exactly one 0 of f, and so that means there's one real root of our equation, and you can find that out by doing this.